Live from ABC 7, this is Eyewitness News.
I'm Mark Brown.
I'm Michelle Tuesey. New at 5 o'clock. This is the first day LA City firefighter Eulian has taken the stand over the videotaped beating of the woman who feeds stray cats. If found guilty, he could face up to 7 years in prison. Eyewitness News reporter Leo Stallworth is live outside the courthouse in downtown LA with this firefighter's testimony. Leo.
Well, on the witness stand today, the firefighter told the jury that he punched the woman because he felt he had no other choice.
Was it your purpose in approaching her chief to punch her?
No.
38-year-old firefighter Eulian admitted to punching 47-year-old Rebecca Stafford September of last year. It was Eulian's first day testifying in the trial in which he and his mother are accused of attacking Stafford for feeding cats in their West Adams neighborhood.
At some point, do you attempt to punch Miss Stafford while she's seated inside the Jeep?
Yes.
Eulian told the jury things boiled over and he hit Stafford when he says she threw cat food at him, slapped him, kicked him, and then attacked his mother.
Miss Stafford raised her leg and kicked my mother in the stomach, or in the sternum.
Was it your intention to protect your mother at that moment?
Absolutely. She was by herself in an alley known for violence at midnight, and she's already slapped me, kicked me, slapped my mother, thrown cat kibble at me, kicked my mother in the chest.
After 9 days of testimony, it was closing arguments today. This case boils down to either battery or self-defense. The jury heard both sides of that argument today.
Why, ladies and gentlemen, would this man, a distinguished member of the Los Angeles City Fire Department for 13 years, a man who is given to the community, a man who is not violent, a man who is honest, why would that man, why would Eulian engage in violent actions against the alleged victim, Miss Stafford?
During his closing argument, defense attorney Robert Schwartz told the jury that firefighter Eulian was seen on surveillance video punching 47-year-old Rebecca Stafford September of last year to protect his 71-year-old mother, Lonieta Fontaine. Fontaine and Stafford got into a scuffle during the videotaped violence. Eulian and his mother are accused of attacking Stafford for feeding stray cats in their West Adams neighborhood.
A mistrial today in the case of an LA firefighter accused of beating a woman in a neighborhood dispute over feeding stray cats. Eyewitness News reporter Leo Stallworth was there as the judge made the announcement.
I have declared a mistrial, which means it's now official that you are a hung jury.
After more than 2 weeks of testimony and just one full day of deliberations, the 8-man, 4-woman jury told the judge this morning they were hopelessly deadlocked on all counts. The judge declaring a mistrial.
There's a reason why this happened, that he believed that he needed to defend his 70-year-old mother who was violently kicked by the alleged victim.
The defense attorneys argued that during the recorded dispute, Eulian was just trying to protect his elderly mother, who was allegedly kicked by the victim. Allegations Cross says the jury couldn't clearly confirm on the tape.
We all feel a sense of relief because there was more to this case than just the video.
The defense team added jurors were given two competing theories from the prosecution and defense, and for them, this mistrial was a legal victory. The prosecution didn't comment after today's ruling. Defense attorneys say a retrial is always possible, but that it's unclear if it'll happen at this point. In downtown Los Angeles, Corrine Winter, KTLA 5 News.